fashionistas! Welcome to the module. I'm excited that you're here. And in this module, we're going to have two chapters that is going to lay the foundation for our understanding of how fashion moves and how trends spread and how the business side of fashion thrives. So this week with chapter 3, we're going to be building on the social, economic, and psychological factors that we talked about in chapter 2. So we'll talk about fashion adoption, so how and why trends catch on. We'll talk about some influencers, so some fashion leaders and trendsetters, so just like the people who inspire that change, and then the process of getting things from the runway to the street or from the street to the runway, because it goes both ways, right? So really the focus for chapter 3 is going to be understanding the people and the factors that drive change in fashion, right? And then we're going to move on to chapter 4, which is the business part, and we're going to go a little bit behind the scenes. We're going to learn about fashion merchandising and careers, so from buying to promotion. We'll talk about retail operations, so kind of what keeps stores running, so that visual piece too, and operations as well. We'll talk a little bit about how brands expand globally when we talk about licensing or franchising. And we will talk about the role of entrepreneurs in fashion, how their creativity meets the business. So with our discussion too, we're going to learn about some of your fashion influencers and how and why you follow them, as well as career paths in fashion promotion and visual merchandising and entrepreneurship. Okay, so down below you'll see the learning objectives for this module, and then you will do what you need to do. You will read, view the lecture, and then dive into the discussion board. So remember, get started, check out the readings, look at the lectures, think about who inspires you, because we're going to talk about them in the discussion board. You're going to share your favorite influencers with us, and I can't wait to see what you have in store. All right, so you know what to do. I'll see you on the discussion board.